Pink salt trick for weight loss. Never trust pink salt just because it's natural, because what most people are sprinkling on their food, thinking it's a weight loss miracle, is actually blocking fat burning and messing with your metabolism. In fact, that morning detox drink you think is helping, it might be the reason your belly fat won't budge, or why your energy crashes by 3 p.m. If you've been adding pink Himalayan salt to your water, your smoothies, or even your coffee, hoping it'll melt fat, flush toxins, and balance your hormones, you're not alone. It's trending all over TikTok and YouTube. But here's the twist. Most of these people are doing it wrong. And the truth is, if you don't know how to use this pink salt trick properly, you could end up doing more harm than good. Today, I'm going to break down what the pink salt trick really is, why it works when used the right way, and how to avoid the top 3 mistakes that are blocking your results. Why your body isn't responding to pink salt. So here's the thing. Most people think they can just toss some pink salt into water and magically lose belly fat. But real weight loss isn't magic. It's metabolic science. And pink Himalayan salt can help if you understand how it affects hydration, adrenal function, and insulin sensitivity. Let's look at the challenge. Many people today suffer from hidden dehydration. And I'm not talking about dry lips or not drinking enough water. I mean cellular dehydration, where your cells can't actually absorb the water you drink because your electrolytes are out of balance. Think of your cells like tiny sponges. If they're dehydrated, no matter how much water you drink, it just passes through you. That's why you can be sipping water all day and still feel drained, foggy, and bloated. Your cells can't hold on to hydration without the right minerals to open the gates. And pink salt, when used right, can help fix that. And this is where pink salt comes in. But if you're using it wrong, too much, too little, at the wrong time, or paired with the wrong foods, you're just pouring salt on a problem and calling it a solution. Before I walk you through the real pink salt trick for weight loss, take 2 seconds to hit that like button. It helps more people find the truth behind these so-called hacks. Now, let's dive into what really works. Why too much salt spikes belly fat. Here's what most people don't realize. Your body treats excess sodium like a stressor. When you take in too much salt, even if it's natural, your body may respond by pumping out more cortisol, your primary stress hormone. And when cortisol rises, it signals your body to store fat, especially around your belly. Why? Because from a survival standpoint, cortisol tells your body something's wrong, better store energy in case of a crisis. And that's not all. Excess cortisol also triggers cravings for quick sugar, which can lead to those afternoon crashes and emotional eating cycles. So if you're constantly stressed, dehydrated, or oversalted, your metabolism is working against you, not with you. What makes pink salt different from regular salt? Let's start with the basics. Not all salts are created equal. Table salt, it's been bleached, stripped of minerals, and loaded with anti-caking agents. Pink Himalayan salt, it's mined from ancient seabeds in Pakistan and contains over 84 trace minerals. In fact, one study published in the Journal of Trace Elements found that natural salts like Himalayan pink salt contain minerals that can improve electrolyte balance more efficiently than refined salt blends. These minerals, like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, play a key role in how your body balances fluids, manages energy, and burns fat. But here's the catch. Just because something is mineral-rich doesn't mean it's automatically helpful. Too much sodium, even from pink salt, can spike cortisol levels, trigger water retention, and increase cravings. So moderation and timing matter a lot. The pink salt trick. How it works when done right. Here's the real pink salt trick for weight loss. It's not just about adding salt to water. It's about balancing electrolytes to support better hydration and reduce stress on your adrenals. This trick works best in the morning, especially if you're someone who wakes up groggy, bloated, or craving sugar. Here's how to do it. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt into 16 ounces of warm, filtered water. Add the juice of half a lemon for vitamin C and liver support. Optional, add a tiny bit of raw honey or apple cider vinegar for extra gut benefits. Drink this on an empty stomach before coffee, food, or supplements. Why? Because this helps reset your hydration levels after sleep, supports healthy cortisol rhythms, and gently kickstarts digestion. And when your hydration and hormones are working with you instead of against you, your metabolism gets a noticeable boost. Real example, how Jane lost 7 pounds in 3 weeks. Let me give you a quick story. Jane, a 52-year-old nurse from Ohio, was struggling with weight gain, brain fog, and afternoon crashes. She started drinking the pink salt plus lemon water combo first thing in the morning. At first, she thought it was just another fad. But in 3 weeks, here's what changed. She dropped 7 pounds without changing her diet. Her bloating vanished, and her energy levels stabilized throughout the day. She wasn't starving herself, skipping meals, or doing some extreme cleanse. She just hydrated correctly and gave her adrenals the support they desperately needed. Real example, how Mike reversed pre-diabetes with this trick. Mike, 59, had been battling creeping blood sugar levels, poor sleep, and low energy. His doctor warned him he was heading toward pre-diabetes and possibly worse. Mike started using the pink salt plus lemon water combo each morning for 30 days, but he also added magnesium glycinate at night as part of a full hydration protocol. After 30 days, his fasting blood sugar dropped by 12 points. He lost 5 pounds of stubborn belly fat. His sleep improved, no more waking up at 3 a.m. And his cravings for sugar completely vanished. Mike didn't change his diet, he just hydrated smarter and gave his metabolism the minerals it needed to function properly. That's the power of this pink salt trick when used properly. If this info's helping you finally understand how pink salt really works, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps this reach more people who've been misled by trendy health hacks. Thanks. 3 mistakes that make pink salt useless or even harmful. Mistake number 1, using too much salt. More is not better. One of the biggest mistakes people make is adding a whole teaspoon of salt to their water. That's not a detox, that's a disaster. Too much sodium at once can raise blood pressure, dehydrate you further, and stress your kidneys. Stick to 1/4 teaspoon max, and only once a day. Mistake number 2, adding it to coffee. There's a viral trend where people add pink salt to their coffee. Terrible idea. Why? Coffee is already a diuretic. It flushes water out of your system. Add salt to that, and you're messing with your body's fluid balance big time. The result? Dizziness, headaches, and even heart palpitations. Keep salt out of your coffee. Mistake number 3, skipping water altogether. Some people sprinkle pink salt on their food and think it's the same as doing the trick. It's not. You need water to activate the minerals in the salt and deliver them into your cells. Without water, you're just seasoning your food, not supporting your metabolism. What to expect after 7 days? If you do the pink salt trick correctly, here's what you might notice after just 1 week. Less sugar cravings, flatter belly, more energy in the morning, fewer afternoon crashes, better sleep quality. Why? Because your body's mineral balance finally starts to stabilize, your stress hormones stop spiking at random, and your cells can actually hold on to hydration instead of letting it flush right out. That's what real metabolic support looks like. What kind of pink salt should you use? Not all pink salts are legit. Some cheaper brands are mixed with fillers or heavy metals. Here's what to look for. With 100% pure Himalayan pink salt, look for "mined in Pakistan" on the label. No added anti-caking agents or iodine. Ideally coarse ground, less processed. Add this for even better results. Want to amplify your weight loss results? Add magnesium glycinate to your routine at night. Here's why. Magnesium supports over 300 cellular functions, including fat metabolism. It relaxes the nervous system, helping you sleep deeper. and it balances insulin and blood sugar overnight. Pairing the pink salt trick in the morning with magnesium at night creates a 24-hour metabolic support system. Recommended dosage: 200 to 400 milligram magnesium glycinate before bed. Weight loss doesn't start with restriction, it starts with cellular hydration. Support your cells and your metabolism will follow. So here's the bottom line. The pink salt trick isn't magic, but it is powerful when done correctly. Use the right type of salt, the right amount, at the right time, with the right support. This isn't just about dropping a few pounds, it's about restoring your energy, balancing your hormones, and feeling in control of your body again. Just like Jane, just like thousands of others who've used this simple shift to kickstart their health journey. If this video helped you understand how to really use pink salt for weight loss, share it with a friend who's been trying all the wrong things. And if you want more real science-backed holistic health tips, hit that subscribe button. We've got more truth bombs coming your way. Until next time, take care of your body. It's the only one you've got.